Hello to all my friends out there. So I'm having to lose weight, and as usual with like most dieters, you cheat. But one thing that can happen, and when this starts to happen is really good, is when you find diet meals that you like. And so when I first started the diet, McDonald's has this deal on their double cheeseburgers, and I got 2 double cheeseburgers and I made them into lettuce wraps. Yesterday on Pink Fairy, she got coupons for McDonald's. And I thought, well, I'm going to keep my eye out for those. And then if I want to buy lettuce wraps, that will be great. But I found I can make a good lettuce wrap. And so what I did is I shopped around for the cheapest possible deal I could find on Turkey Burger. And I got this at 99 cents only. And when I cut it in 4 pieces, my hamburger is 50 cents each. Then I stockpiled in my freezer cheese from Dollar Tree. I find this stuff to be pretty good. And then I have turkey bacon from Dollar Tree. And so this worked out good for, my lunch, to make myself 2 lettuce wrap hamburgers. I could use, what's good about this is I could make lunch meat and cheese, which is what I like. Only thing would be missing would be the bread. And if you make a good lettuce wrap, you're really not really going to be suffering that much without bread. So I bought lettuce at 99 cents only. One good thing about making your own is you washed your lettuce good, And so what I do is I get the big heads and I peel off the outer layers that could have the insecticide on them. So that also gives me lettuce for my salads. So I'm thinking if I can find, okay, so here is my turkey burger with my bacon and cheese. Owie, the bacon stuck. Yummy. So, I'm not going to be suffering at all eating my bacon. So I'll just make one. Back here I have powdered milk, and one of the followers said you should get a jar. So I put it in my cup, but I'm going to be buying some mason jars. I don't have any. I'm going to get some. That's a good idea. That way you don't have to worry about your milk. I usually make about 2 cups a day, and then I can just drink it whenever I get around to it, and then I have some tea. Okay, so now, let's see. So I can just make my lettuce wraps just like any hamburger. Only thing is no bun. And then, a little ketchup is good. If you don't have a vegetable, though, you can count your ketchup as a vegetable. So these are cheaper than buying them out. You can buy 2 nice big hamburgers and make them into lettuce wraps. So 2 for $3 at McDonald's. That's pretty good. But it's even better if you have your own stuff already in the refrigerator. It just takes a minute. So this will be a pretty good lettuce wrap. This'll do. Okay. You may remember I did a video and it was talking about economic shifts. And what happens in an economic shift is when people don't have as much spendable income, they cut back. and they only buy the necessities. So what kind of businesses might be affected by an economic shift? Well, it would be luxury items. Okay, the eBay has been selling used luxury items, and you can get those at a reduced price. Then in comes Goodwill, and Goodwill now is selling used items, possibly luxury items, and has taken a bite out of the eBay business. Now, the eBay business was created by small businesses of individuals, and it became big. Then these big companies came in and took a big, huge bite. Now, Nordstrom's is invading the used clothes market. Nordstrom's in New York is buying used items. So where are they getting these used items? Well, they're saying that individuals are coming in and selling the used items. So these people would be selling the used items, and not for cash. I think it's store credit. And so they would be acquiring these gently used items to sell. But actually what's probably happening is the thrift stores are the vendors for Nordstrom's. They're getting the stuff free, and they're getting rich off of a market that they have invaded that was created by small vendors. And this is very common in our culture. So Nordstrom's is going into the used clothing market. So that's something to be aware of. Okay, now one more thing. I have started doing my cleaning with boiling water. And so I want to encourage you guys not to just know about this, but to actually start cleaning and disinfecting your environment with boiling water. I mean, not to the point of destroying everything you own, but you can top off your cleaning solutions with boiling water. What I do is when I'm wiping my kitchen down at night, in my sink, I put boiling water, and I put water, and I add 1/2 cleaning vinegar, 1/2 detergent, and then I pour boiling water on it. So my cleaning solution is very, very hot. And when you start doing this over time, then your everything is going to be so much cleaner. Also, if you take cleaning vinegar, and so, okay, the cleaning vinegar and the detergent is in your sink, and you can wipe your sink up and clean your sinks first, and then you can drain it, and then you can add more with boiling water and wipe your kitchen down. You can mop your floors the same way. And another thing you can do, and I wanted to mention this again, and the thing is, put it in the back of your mind. In your bathtub, you put water, and then the cleaning vinegar and the detergent, and then you gotta use rubber gloves, boiling water. You wipe your bathtub or shower down with that, and then you should be able to wipe off any grime in your bathroom. And the other thing is, most of the time you can use newspaper just like paper towels. You will wreck your rubber gloves, but when you have fairly grimy messes to clean up, you can go in with your newspaper and wipe down your mirrors with the newspaper. I wipe around my toilet with the cleaning vinegar, and around the base of my toilet with the cleaning vinegar, and I wipe it all up. And you're saving money on paper towels, and I throw the newspaper right into the garbage, so none of that, those germs are being spread around. Same thing with any grimy mess. And so on the last thing, I want to encourage you guys to start planting your seeds. when you have a few seeds or you have a few seeds in the vegetables you're eating, save out some of the seeds. And for one thing, my grandmother used to dry them out on the back porch and just dry them out and put them in mason jars. I'm going to be getting mason jars. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.